Namaste. My name is Ravinder Kaur. I have been admitted in BLK. My doctor is Dr. Puneet Girdhar. He is a spine surgeon, a very good surgeon. I was suffering from last 4 years. While getting up in the morning, my both legs were numbness. I was unable to walk. I was unable to sleep. I came to this doctor. He's not a doctor, he's a God. He's a God, and I'm feeling so proud of him that he has done my surgery yesterday. And today he made me walk, sit, and he appreciated me so much that you will be running again, you'll be walking again. Before marriage, I was a sports girl. I used to run in my school life time, and now, since 4 years, I was unable to walk. I was unable to do my household work. But today I am feeling so proud of him. Dr. Girdhar, Puneet Girdhar, I really thanks him so much. I thanks all BLK staff. I thank sisters, colleagues of these hospitals, and especially thanks to Puneet Girdhar doctor. Thank you very much. God bless him always.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.